Welcome! Episode 102.
Yeah, we're past 101. It's kind of sad.
Why is it sad?
I don't know.
Don't be sad.
It's not 100 anymore.
Be happy. We're over 100.
Yeah. We're over
It's
the
not
bridge.
100 anymore. We're on 102. We're going up.
We're up.
Now we're reaching for 200.
True.
Can you see it? It's up there.
No, it's really far away.
Really up there. I mean, we'll get there. We'll get there.
On tonight's episode, we got some racing footage from this past weekend out in Dundurn with the Saskatoon Off-Road Radio Control Club.
Mm-hmm.
And what did you do, Chris?
Well, you guys were racing. Me and Braden hit the trails, and Braden broke his truck.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
So before we get any farther into it, he's Chris.
And that is Aaron.
We're here, episode 102, like Chris said.
102, yeah.
So on every episode, we try to do something cool, whether it's running footage, whether it's racing, whether it's pro tips, things like that about this awesome industry we're in with RC cars and trucks. So let's just jump right into it.
Let's jump right in.
So do you want to do trailing first?
Yeah, we can do that.
Well, let's hit the trails with Chris and Braden.
Hey Braden, what's going on? We're doing some tiny trucking today? We're going to the trails? Oh, I'll flip you over. Teamwork! Cannot do it. I cannot do it. We got Braden in the TRX-4 4Runner, and then I'm out with the trusty Blazer. She's a little bit more beaten up from last time, but I mean, she'll make do. Just smashing into me, eh? Let's see if I can roll you over. Nice and easy. Look at this. There's some teamwork right there. Oh. Okay, let's get these bad boys out on the trails. Do some trailing before we break them.
Yeah, first time with 3S in the 4Runner.
First time 3S and 4Runner. Holy. Getting used to the power. Too much power, bro. Too much power. You gotta go slow like me. You gotta go slow like me. Like this. Nice and slow. So what did you find out? We found out the snow today is very, very soft. Yeah, you need a lot of power, otherwise you just stop. Like that. So it's gonna be interesting. Hopefully the trails, they look like they're still fairly packed. So we should be lucky today. Coming up on the first little obstacle, the little crevice crossing. Ooh, there's a lot of snow. This is gonna be a tricky one. Okay, here we go. First crossing. Shouldn't be too bad today. Ooh, she's a little soft. Be smooth. You won't lose it. Yeah. Like butter. Like butter, guys. All right, Braden. You got this, buddy. Just keep it this way more, yeah. Back up a little bit. There you go, yeah. Keep it hooked in. Oh.
Let it go.
Oh, you made it! Look at that! Beautiful! Good job!
It just fell off.
That was close. Oh no! I pulled the trigger! Oh! Bad times! Bad times! Alright, we got RC Deeb's recovery team here. Made it down safely at least. Oh, there's so much snow. These shoes are a bad choice, boys. Oh, bad choice! Oh, it's so deep! Oh. My glove! Did it land on its wheels?
Yeah.
Nice, good throw. Okay, now I gotta get back up there. Oh, okay.
R.I.P.
Just gonna,
Trail, this is what happened.
you just go sit at that picnic table till spring.
Yeah, exactly. The problem is my gloves are too thick, so I couldn't feel my finger pulling the trigger. And I was also holding the camera.
Oh, successful
I'm the
recovery.
monkey man. We saved it.
Uh-oh. Braden's carrying his truck. What happened, Braden?
Servo.
You broke your servo. Well, that was a short trail run today.
Yeah, just try not to hit the bush too hard anymore, I guess.
Hit the bush too much. Well, that's it for us today, and we're gonna go back and do some fixing.
Whoa! Yeah.
Chop to the throat. Huzzah! So that was trailing.
Yeah.
Braden broke fairly soon, so we're only out there for like maybe 20 minutes. Half
That
an
doesn't
hour.
even surprise me. He is like full goon mode every
No,
time
he-
you guys go
he
and
did
film.
pretty good. Like he was.
Did you hit him this time?
No, he wasn't going crazy or anything. Honestly, I was coming up the one hill, and then I noticed he wasn't behind me, so I turned around, and he was just pushing his truck. He was trying to go up the one hill, and the steering just broke
Aw,
instantly.
man. Poor
So
Braden.
I don't know what was going on there, but we got a little bit of footage. We had a little bit of fun. So
Yeah, that's good.
Still good.
So for anybody wanting to know where that is,
Yeah.
that's actually out in Deifenbaker Park.
yes.
Behind the Optimist Hill.
Mhm.
And there's a whole bunch of bike trails all the way from pretty much that Deifenbaker Park area all the way up to Sask Crescent
Yes.
and 8th Street. So you can go really, really far. You can even keep going and get all the way up to the University Bridge.
Yes.
And there's all the way trails behind
And
the
even have
university.
plow trails too. If you don't want to go in the trails and the trees, you can just take the walking path with your RC truck too.
Yep. So we do have a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah.
In the summertime, we also do have a Facebook Live we do every Thursday, as long as weather permits. We'll either go out trailing or we go out and we go drag racing.
Drag racing.
So that's going to be something cool we're going to add to the Facebook Lives we do on
Yes.
Thursday this summer as well with the drag racing stuff. So there we go. But continuing on the racing. So, like I said, this weekend we were out at Dundurn for the Saskatoon Off-Road Radio Control Club's first annual Bridge City Blizzard.
Whoa.
Oh, that was a mouthful. Holy Dinah.
Similar to the Bridge City Brawl, but in the winter.
Correct, and that's what we call the Blizzard.
Oh man, I figured that out.
Dang, Chris,
Myself.
you good.
Yeah.
So we have some racing footage, some slow-mo stuff, a whole bunch of other just cool little footage we got, and we also have pictures of all the winners.
Ooh.
So congratulations to all the winners
Yes.
and all the people that finished on the podium. Thank you to the town guys, Gary and Jeff, for coming from Calgary. We hope to see everybody next year and this summer for Bridge City Brawl and next winter for the Bridge City Blizzard Take 2. So enjoy the footage.
Gonna have a brawl.
Have a bash.
Oh, I can bash. Yeah.
I got a bash. You go Bridge City bash?
Yeah.
Deal.
Bash this.
No. Okay, so we're on our way to the track for the 2020 Bridge City Blizzard. It's pretty excited. This is the first big indoor race we've ever had in Dundurn, so pretty excited about that. No, I'm not driving. Katie's driving. So pretty excited about this. We're gonna, take you on an adventure. How the race day is gonna kind of look. It's gonna be a little bit different format, so it is gonna be a Reedy race. So if you're not familiar with the Reedy race that was held like 3 weekends ago or so, it's like an all just kind of main event, and you take your best 4 out of 6 or 5 out of 6 races or heats, I guess, and that goes into your overall total score. So it's gonna be a little bit different. Not really used to this, but we'll check it out. I'm really excited to see it, but we'll get some more footage. But first of all, we gotta get there, so stay tuned.
Rise up.
Well, we made it. 2020 Bridge City Blizzard. So Fitz, everyone else has their setup going on here. So we're just gonna run some practice, get some footage of some practice. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll be here all day today, all day tomorrow as well. So stay tuned for updates and things like that as the race day progresses. And thank you for understanding that the shop's gonna be closed at 2 today and being totally cool with that. So you guys are the best. Thank you so much. And we'll catch you guys later today, tomorrow, all the good days. Okay, we're here. 7:26. Don't usually get up at 7:26. Well, it was actually like 6:30, but only time we do is for race day. So we're on the road again to head out to the track. We're letting the old Dodge warm up. But first of all, we gotta go get coffee. So this is day number 2, Bird City Blizzard. Day number 1 went super awesome. It was a crazy hectic day. We didn't get out of the track till about 8 o'clock, 8:30. So super long day, but was tons of fun. We got some footage for y'all for that. But we're gonna head out. We're gonna go and get coffee for the guys. And we're off to Dundurn again. So stay tuned.
Rise up for the revolution. Rise up to the fight. One love, one life for the revolution. Rise up and unite. Rise up. Rise up. Rise up. Rise up. Rise up and unite. Break out. Vanguard of the new beginning. Break into the light. The fire. The flame of the revolution. Rise up and ignite. Rise up. Rise up for the revolution. Rise up to the fight. One love, one life for the revolution. Rise up and unite. Woo! Rise up. Rise up and unite. Rise up. One life for the revolution. One life for the revolution. Rise up and ignite. Rise up. Rise up for the revolution. Rise up to the fight. One love, one life for the revolution. Rise up and unite. Woo! Rise up. Rise up and unite. Rise up. One life for the revolution. One life for the revolution. Rise up and unite. Rise up and unite.
Whiskey or beer. It's closing time.
Yeah. You don't have to go home.
You can't stay here.
You're probably already at home though,
Yeah.
so joke's on us.
If you were here, that'd be weird. What if I
So
was there?
accurate.
What if I was there?
Wouldn't it be more weird?
That'd be more weird.
Because like you could totally recite this
What
while
if I
you're
just
there.
like jumped into the screen and fell out into your living room? Or-
That would be a sweet magic trick. I would pay to see that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
I might wreck Chuck's camera.
That's a risk.
We'll try next week.
A risk I'm willing to take. But anyway, that was the ending footage
Yes.
for the Bird City Blizzard. So again, thank you everyone that came out to participate or watch. It was a great weekend. So thank you SK Off Road. Thank you all of the executive members that put on a great event. You guys are awesome, and you're the thankless group that never gets a thanks. So I'm gonna say thanks. You guys are the best.
You guys are great. You know, we really appreciate you.
But on that note, it's time for us to say goodbye for tonight's episode. But
Yeah.
before we do,
Before
we do, so like 4442.
442.
Yeah, that was a thing.
Yeah, we
We gave
gave
that away. Episode 100.
Jinx. Did we say it at the same time?
Oh dang it! Oh dang! So anyway, before we say goodbye, don't forget to check out all of our social media platforms.
Yes.
Don't forget to check him out on Instagram, Facebook, as well as YouTube, RC Deebs. Don't forget to check out the shop. We have a website, www.ultrarchobbies.com. Don't forget to check out all our social media platforms. Obviously, you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, but we also have an Instagram and a Snapchat. So don't forget to go check those out as well, Ultra RC Hobbies. But until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. We really do appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Your question for today is, where the heck did my beard go, guys? Because like I woke up and it was gone. I don't know what happened.
Naked.